Name of Allah, the most merciful and beneficent. Prophet Muhammad said, recite Quran. Indeed, you need it on the day of Qiyamah. Now today, I will deliver another lecture on pollen green and ovule. You know already, at this time we are dealing with sexual reproduction in plants. Up to this time, we have discussed structure of flower. Now today, we will highlight here pollen green and egg. Ovule, pollen green and ovule. Now what is pollen green? Pollen green. Pollen green. Shabash. Pollen green kya go? It is the male reproductive body of a flower. Flower. Memorati, it is produced from anthers. Anthers. Pollen green reason cha asan. Ish male reproductive body asan flower asmans. The ishneran anther omans. Anther. Merat vinyaw. Usan androecium cha asan. Atmuch stamens asan. The stamenus petken cha asan. Tip. That's one anther. That's much anther lobus asan. Timi much near pollen greens. तो वही सवाल जिसे pollen green cha asan. Pollen green. Atman cha asan. Jiske pollen green asan. Pollen green jiske asan. अच्छा अंदर के single nucleus asan. तो बिछा था double layered wall. Double layered wall. Pollen green. Pollen green contains single nucleus. As much as single nucleus asan and double layered wall. Pollen green is asan chu. As much asan nucleus. Arc nucleus. The achbiki nibiki asan double layered wall. In a zillier chadasan. Using double layered wall chasan in zillier chasanat. Achasan nibrim layer arc that's an exine. Under which one indine. The outer layer is thick and is called is an outer layer is thick asan. That's one exine. Exine. Which outer layer asan is exine. Exine. Okay. Why सवाल इसे अंदरिम layer था asan cho. Inner layer. That's one indine. Inner layer is one indine. Exine and indine. Outer layer is thick and is called exine. The inner layer is thin and is called indine. Indine the exine. Okay. Shabash. तो वो जो सवाल इसे outer layer शासन exine शासन आसान एडंजन तीम thin places शासन आसान तीमन चवन germ pores. Okay. I think it was exine. Exine has thin places called germ pores. Germ pores. You mentioned germ pores. Okay. Because I thought you exine chasan. You should thick asan. Thin places asan. They mentioned germ pores. Okay. So this is pollen green. This one is pollen green. Okay. And we are at this time dealing with class 10th reproduction. sexual reproduction in plants. Yes. So we are discussing here from the 10th standard. In it, 10th standard. Yes. The Gulhaza ke through the yard is a pollen grain chasan. A pollen grain is a single nucleus asan. Achi nibrikin double layered wall asan. Ako outer layer, bago inner layer. Outer layer is thick asan, inner layer is thin asan. Outer layer is thick asan, acha asan. Achana exine, inner layer is endine. The outer layer asan, idan yasa yem germ, yem thin places. They are called germ pores. Okay. So this is the structure of what? Pollen grain. Okay. The black part chutney is called touch. Pasuna ovule. 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 Ovule kya go? Ovule go, it is the female reproductive body of a flower. Ovule chasan. You should flowerous mazasan. You should female component akasan. Ovule. मुझे सवाल इसे ओव्यूल चासन आज का जो स्ट्रक्चर आसन ओव्यूलस अगर इस ओव्यूल डायग्राम बना हुआ था शाबाश, try to understand. As I told you already, in the flower, the female reproductive organ is called gynoecium. As much as on plastic shaped structures called carpels. My soul is a carpel chasa. Carpelus mus gashasa. A carpelus trepart asa. Known yoti. A petkin tip person that is called a stigma. As some mazas third dark that is called a style. The bunium swollen parts that is called ovary. So this is carpel. This is carpel asan. The astrapart asan. Much of stigma asan. Acha be style asan. The mission ovary asan. Okay. Much sawan. Yet much aham structure asan. At carpel mans. That is called ovule. Ovule. You see ovule chasan. At ovulus chasan. Yes, I mean, yasa ovulus manjusan yasa achadrasan. The main body of ovule. The main body of ovule consists of mass of cells. Mass of cells called nucellus. Nucellus. Usually ovule chasan, atman chasan mass of cells. That is called a nucellus. Nucellus. You see nucellus chasan, that's enclosed karan kom integumentus. Nucellus. Not nucleus but nucellus. Nucellus. Nucellus is enclosed by integumentus. Nucellus is enclosed by integumentus. You see nucellus chasan, achasan integumentus. Andavando. Suppose conjugasan integumentus. So they are called integumentus. Okay. Well, you say under kanchasan here. Yes, I mean body image. Asan nucellus. Asan nucellus chu enclosed karan kom. They must be integumentus. Okay. One sawal. Usually integumentus enclosed karan chu. Yim integumentus yunanche. Yim chinat encloses from complete asan ki. Yim chinat completely enclosed karan ki. The enclosure is not complete. Enclosure is uncho. It should complete asan ki, but there is an opening on upper side, that's one micropyle. Yani bönkin chi close asan, petkin chi open asan, that's one micropyle. Okay, shabash. So that's how yad. This is ovule chasan. Ovule is a main body chasan. That is called a nucellus. At nucellus is chasan on the integumentus. Im integumentus is completely surround karan at nucellus and leaving behind an opening on upper side. That is called a micropyle. Okay. One sawal. So point then in vathanchium yasa im integumentus. That place, that areas chonan chalaza. The place where integumentus arise. The place where integumentus arise is called chalaza. Yeah, chalaza. Areas. Chalaza is the place, is the point from where integumentus arise. Okay. Now, as I told you just, this is nucellus, nucellus. तो nucellus में क्या होता है? इसमें एक oval body होती है. That is called embryo sac. Nucellus is an chasan. Atman ach oval body achasan. That is called embryo sac. Nucellus contains an oval body called embryo sac. Okay. Yatman chasan ach bud cell lak, oval cell lak, that's an embryo sac. Shabash, try to understand. Suppose this is nucellus. This portion. It's called a nucellus. Even nucellus. With nucellus, man chasani ki oval cell, oval body. That is called embryo sac. Achha embryo sac. This is embryo sac. Okay. Embryo sac. Okay. Which सवाल? You see embryo sac chasa. इसमें क्या होता है embryo sac में? Embryo sac is man chasan. Atman shi 6 cell asan. पेट के 3 cell asan. तो बन के 3 cell asan. इम 6 cell asan है. Embryo sac is okay. Goes the call. Embryo sac contains 6 cells. Atma 6 cell asan. 6 cell chatmaz asan. 3 on upper side and remaining 3 and other 3 on lower side. Achi 6 cell asan. Achi pet kin 3 cell asan. Bun kin 3 cell asan. In the upper 3 cells asan. That's a third si akoi now one egg apparatus. The upper 3 cells is collectively called as egg apparatus. Okay. Shabash. That's how yad. You see embryo sac chasan acha pet kin 3 cell asan. They must jointly akoi na one egg apparatus. egg apparatus. Okay, shabash. तो वयम lower 3 cells छ आसान बनमि 3 cell यम छ आसान यमन 3 cells छ वनन antipodals antipodal cells. The lower 3 cells are collectively called as antipodal cells. Yeah, antipodals. Okay, shabash. तो थो याद इस एम्ब्रियो सैक अत पे किन 3 सेल बन किन 3 सेल पे 3 सेलन अकुई नाव एग apparatus तो बनमिन सेलन 3 नाव antipodal cells या antipodals. मुझे सवाल इस एग apparatus egg apparatus consists of central egg cell and other two central egg cell and other 2 cells are called synergids. Okay, in this egg apparatus मजम सेल नाव वन egg cell तम अंदर बीज सेल तम नाव वन synergids. Okay, थो तो यहाँ याद अत पे अमे अलाव क्या अत एम्ब्रियो सैकस मज अत मन polar nuclei. अस लिखो embryo sac also contains 2 polar nuclei. Embryo sac also contains 2 polar nuclei. Polar nuclei. Okay. Embryo sac okay. One सवाल इस ovule यह अटैच ओवरी वाले कुन कर कम के जरिए अक स्ट्रक्चर के जरिए तथ placenta. Ovule remains attached with ovary wall by placenta. यह ओवरी वाले कुन बंद रोजन कम के जरिए placenta के जरिए. ओके, वह सवाल यह कतन बंद अत ओवरी वाले कुन तथ पॉइंटस ये बंद ओवरी वाले कुन तथ वन funicle. Ovule attached with the ovary wall by placenta. Placenta के जरिए ओवरी वाले कुन बंद कर the point at which ovule remains attached with ovary wall. The point at which ovule remains attached with ovary wall is called funicle. Okay, so this is ovule. Now I will revise it. You see, ovule यह female reproductive body यह flower अत ओव्यूलस मेन बॉडी that is called nucellus. अत nucellus सराउंड करन कोम तम इंटरगमेंट्स. ओके, इंटरगमेंट्स इस इंटरगमेंट यह इंटरगमेंट यह करन सराउंड सरसी बन किन बंद करन पेट किन ओपन यल तथ यपरि ओपन तथ माइक्रोपाइल. तो वही सवाल ये पे वथन इंटरगमेंट्स दैट पार्ट इज कॉल्ड चलाजा. वो सवाल इस न्यूसिलस अथ न्यूसिलस मज क्या अथ मज ओवल बॉडी ओवल सेल फुल शक्ल सेल तथ एम्ब्रियो सैक इस अगर बनाओ अलग एम्ब्रियो सैक इस एम्ब्रियो सैक इस एम्ब्रियो सैक अथ एम्ब्रियो सैकस मज हेर किन 3 सेल तो बन किन 3 सेल इत 3 सेल तो बन किन 3 सेल बनमें 3 सेलन अकुई नाव वन एंटीपोडल्स तो यह नाव वन एग एपराटस पेटमें 3 सेलन एग एपराटस ओके तो वो सवाल एग एपराटस एग एपराटस मजिम सेल मजबी सेल एग सेल यह एग सेल अत मज अंदमि सेल्स तिम साइनरजिड्स ओके तो अस सरसी कलेक्टिव नाव एग एपराटस अमे अलावा बी पोलर न्यूक्लाई well, this is called embryo sac it's a सरसी embryo sac ये कत मज न्यूसिलस मज वो सवाल ओव्यूल यह ओव्यूल कम बंद रोजान ओवरी वाली कुन यह अकि स्ट्रक्चर कि रोज तथ प्लेसेंटा ओके वो सवाल सह पॉइंट यन यह अटैच रोज ओवरी वाली कुन बाय प्लेसेंटा दैट पॉइंट इज कॉल्ड पिनिकल ओके गो दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ what ovule okay so this was my today's lecture about pollen grain and ovule now tomorrow we will discuss another topic that is called pollination while yasa ye pollen grain te banyo egg te shaitan banyomut to wan gase par pollination pollination kya go so paro is pagai inshallah next lectures par pollination the pollination pata chho is fertilization ki koncha edgat okay to yat lagen when the lecture then we will complete the sexual reproduction plant so tomorrow we will you prepare yourself for pollination okay thank you